I hired left and right because I wanted to build a big team. I wanted to, when people bought into the programs, I wanted them to have the support, the team, the help, coaches, everything, right? Because this is where people go wrong, right? Because they don't go all in. When the ball starts rolling for them, right? They be like, oh my God, this is nice, right? We got this shit here now, right? And then you don't got shit, okay? Because then the whole thing crumbles for you. Instead of the snowball getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, right? The snowball crumbles on the way down of the hill. So instead of the snowball just roll and get bigger and bigger and bigger and rolls faster, it crumbles because they don't go all in, okay? They are starting to half-assing it because they have hit a certain goal of 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month, 100K a month, 500,000 a month, and then it never goes bigger. In fact, it actually crumbles because they are starting to half-assing it, okay? If you want to go big, if you want to change people's life, if you want to make an impact on this world here, you need to go all the way